Amelia was a spirited and imaginative little girl with a heart full of curiosity. Every day, she embarked on thrilling adventures in her vivid imagination, where she could be anyone and go anywhere she pleased. Once upon a time, as Amelia gazed out her bedroom window, she noticed a tiny, sparkling speck in the sky. With eyes wide open and a smile on her face, she whispered, "A shooting star." Filled with wonder and excitement, Amelia decided that this shooting star must be a magical being in need of her help. She imagined herself as a brave explorer, ready to embark on an extraordinary quest. Setting off on her adventure, Amelia ventured into the enchanted forest, where mystical creatures roamed and secrets awaited discovery. As she walked along the winding path, the trees whispered stories in her ears, guiding her towards the heart of the forest. With the magical creature as her guide, Amelia faced thrilling challenges along the way. She encountered treacherous riddles, hidden puzzles, and even an ancient labyrinth. With her quick thinking and indomitable spirit, she overcame every obstacle that came her way. Finally, deep within the heart of the forest, Amelia discovered the shooting star, a magnificent being named Stardust. Stardust had lost its way and was unable to return to the sky. Driven by her boundless kindness, Amelia helped Stardust find its path back to the heavens. With a heartfelt goodbye, Stardust soared into the sky, leaving behind a trail of sparkling stardust. As Amelia returned home, she realized that her greatest adventures were not only found in distant lands but also within her own imagination. She understood that her dreams and aspirations could take her anywhere she desired. And so, with a heart full of wonder and an imagination that knew no bounds, Amelia continued to explore the extraordinary, one adventure at a time.